Hello students, good morning. In today we are going to learn the new lesson of the tourism. That lesson we know that it has the idea of tourism. Tourism means for following that. Imagine you have to go on you have to go on a with our family, friends, that of any vacations. Means you can imagine that when we are going and imagine to the any of the trip, any of the uh, various of the tours. So it should that undertake of short and long journeys for the various purposes like of the family family function, festivals, then fairs, sports, gardening, creation, etc. Means we need carry out of the some preparation before going anywhere such of this routine such as these routes to go there. Then choosing their means of transport, packing essential, their means of transport, then packing essential things, etc. When we reach the destination, so we visit the exhibit and spectacular sites. Sometimes we stay there, so we make use of the facilities provided there over there. We also pay in lieu of those services and goods. All these rules are following when we go on any of the short or long journey, so that all these things are to remember in our mind. Now visiting various of the places away from our home or for getting enjoy, entertainment, trading, staying, etc. It is called the tourism. That given here the tourism of the defined. So that is means visiting various places away from our home destination means for getting the such of this enjoy, entertainment, trading, staying, etc. It is called the tourism. Dear student had given to show there of this picture. Means when we are going to decide on any place to there go as tourist, so that a trip has also organized from your home to your favorite places, tourist destination. So find out the routes with the help of various issues, websites. Then decide to our journey routes. You will take of this. Then consider the factors like duration of the trip, materials required for travel, means of transport, availability of the route. All these rules are following when we are decide of any organize of the trip. So you also studied of this Indian map. You will prepare of our Indian map. You will draw as which of these places. Now these trips are to follow in different of in our India. So you will fill up that and to uh, join our in our text copy. So this like of this, all the types of the tourism as very following means it has very special means when we are decided of any trip. So after you our places is the relevant of the classification of the tourism as like of the first, then places near the sea, then historical places, then national parks and sanctuaries, third hill stations and religious places. All these types of places you will be decided when we are going to before the any tourist places. So these like of these are tourist places. But next of this, in the places that given here in the map has become the famous due to the different. All these places are famous, but these are the main reasons, different reasons. Some special things are the reasons behind the places becoming of the famous. For example, natural beauty, then pleasant weather, then scenery, hot spring, sea coast, historical monuments, religious places, forest areas, etc. Means all these major attraction for the tourist place. Means all these are tourism as the where there is the place of very famous, so that of the most important. And on the basis of the political boundaries of boundaries, tourism can be divided up the two types. These tourism has of the divided of there are the two parts. One is domestic tourism, and second is international level. Means both of these. There are the two types. International of this tourists are the classifying as depend their different of the places as historical, near the coastal seas, religious place, hill stations, etc. etc. So, what is the domestic of the tourism? Means domestic tourism within the our limits of a country. Domestic tourism means they are within the limits of our country, own country. It is called the domestic tourism. For example, a person has gone from Maharashtra, means a person from Maharashtra going to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, or some a person has next example for a person from Nagpur visiting of any of the Jammu Kashmir. It is called for the domestic tourism. Second of the international tourism. A person means within this means crossing the country's boundary, within the crossing the country's boundary and visiting some other country. It is called to the international or foreign country. Means foreign of the tourism. Which are the foreign tourism means crossing the other countries of the boundaries and visiting some other of the country. For tourism it is called to the international or the foreign country. For example, an Indian going to as Switzerland for tourism, or example American coming to our India for tourism. It is called to the it is international or the foreign countries. On the basis of this aim of tourism, specialists of the destination, there can be different types of tourism. Some of these have been explained through their photographs. From the above, all the information that given tourism is very important for a country, because basic facilities should be developed at places which have to be developed as a tourist sites mainly. So domestic tourism should be promoted. It is necessary to preserve the culture heritage of our country. Means we know about that if you have going to of the any do you know that as a foreign country, as a foreign tourism, so one needs as a passport, visa, then travel insurance and other documents. Means we should have currency of the country where we are going to there, and for this we need to exchange our currency value that with that currency. Means it is very important that when we are decided to going of a foreign country, it's a visa, passport, travel insurance and other documents. It should be that currency of the country where we are going to there. Then in our textbook that given here, the special of this like as the procession, sanctuary, then wandering, and then near of the coastal sea, as of their health information, advantage sports, and life before the sea. All these types are to following as a tourism in domestic as well as of their foreign tourism or international tourism. Next period we also discuss about as the main point of their structural GPS information and GPS in tourism and others topic. Thank you very much.